Now the reason I don't feel like doing any work today is because I've got my hands on the most comfortable set of cushions. Yes, look at these. Now they may seem like an ordinary set of cushions, but no. The real magic actually lies over here. Yes, these are massage cushions. They are by a company called Robocura, and believe me, they are perhaps the most comfortable cushions that I have ever used. Just imagine coming home after a long day at work and all you need to do is turn this thing on. So well, let's take a quick look at how the massage cushions really work.
What's the one thing that you long for after a hard day at work? After getting stuck for hours in the terrible traffic, don't you just wish that you could get the ultimate body massage? Now, not many have the luxury of a personal masseuse. But don't worry, you have the Robocura Smart Pad to pamper you. Developed by Robocura, at first glance this may seem like an ordinary cushion, but spend a little time with it to know the difference. While conventional cushions are filled with foam and cotton, the Smart Pad combines a filling of foam, cotton and high-intensity sponge, which makes sure that it remains soft and not hard on the body. Only when you flip it around you will notice the tech built in it. The cushion gives you vibrations, a perfect way to massage, and provides your body with some much-needed comfort. It also has infrared heating that adds to the comfort. Operating it is fairly simple. Long press the button on the side to switch on the massaging function. Short press it and the heating function is on, and you are provided with the ultimate soothing experience. There is no way to control the pressure of the massager, so in case it is strong for you, the solution would be to place a thick cloth in between. After 10 minutes of massage, it will stop automatically and you can switch it on again if you wish to. It aids in better blood circulation and eliminates fatigue as you place it on different parts of your body. My body muscles got the ultimate relaxation as I placed it on my neck, my back, my legs and even my feet. It has a lithium-ion battery. It's easily rechargeable. However, maybe the use of a regular USB port to charge it would have been a better alternative. On a single charge, it will last you about an hour if you use it non-stop. The cushion itself is made of high-quality PU leather that is waterproof and even acid-resistant. The Robocura Smart Pad cushions are priced at around 7,500 rupees.
Now I really do wish that you could customize the colors and texture that you want on the cushion so that you could add your own personal touch to it. But while the cushions serve a dual functionality of being a cushion as well as a massaging product, Robocura also has something called the Wow Hug, which is with me right here. So you have to put this around you, slip your hands right here. Now I may look like a creature from a sci-fi movie, but it really gives a very good massage.
Who doesn't like a warm, tight hug? Now, nothing can possibly replace hugs by a human being. But how about a robot that gives you a hug along with a massage? Well, that's what the Wow Hug is all about. A belt-like device that you can put around your neck and just slip your hands in it. You can slip it on your back or any spot of your body that feels more sore. At 1.5 kg, it does seem a little heavy to wear around, and well, honestly, it is not very comfortable to walk around with this. But it is easier to place it on different parts of the body like your waist or stomach or your calves. The working of the belt is the same as the cushion. This too has a heating feature for some instant relief. You can get the warmth of the Wow Hug at 9,500 rupees. So maybe this winter it would be a good idea to get a belt of a set of cushions by Robocura to adorn your sofa set with. After all, what could be a better way to overcome the season's chill than a good massage?
Now all these Robocura products are available at the Little Nap outlets in different parts of the country, but I do wish that there was a way to purchase them online as well, because as of now Little Nap is limited to a few cities across the country.